How to collaborate on a Sway. Microsoft Sway tutorials. I knows a lot about illuminated manuscripts, and she teaches kids how to make them too. That's true. So we're going to work together using Sway to get the word out. The first step to collaborating inside Sway is to click on the Add Author button. Then I email this link to Sue. Once Sue clicks on this link, we set up a time to have an initial Skype chat. I can see that we're both working on the same Sway here. Well, so the name I chose for was Illumination, with an exclamation point, obviously. What are the different sections that you want to add to this workshop? A history of illuminated manuscript? So I'm going to go ahead and throw a heading in there. Sway reflected any changes we made right away, and everything saves automatically. What's nice about collaborating insights Sway is that we can both see where the other person is on the storyline. We ended our initial chat with a basic outline and list some notes on where to add images. Then we split up some tasks. I was going to search for some great images on illuminated manuscripts. Sue was going to work on adding a bit more description to the sections. She's also going to take a few images and videos of her making one of these manuscripts. In this phase, we worked independently on the same Sway at different times. Sue copied a link of her YouTube video and pasted it into Sway. From there, she dragged it onto the storyline. I inserted some of Sue's images of her making a manuscript, and then we're getting pretty close to done. We set up a time to have a final Skype chat that would help us review the overall look and feel. Let's take a look at that video from YouTube under how we'll do it right now. We have like a good shot of your hand working away. Is there anything we could add to it or anything you'd change? I mean, I think it would be pretty cool just to add a caption to that bad boy. Something like, check out this video. After we made a few more tweaks to the image groups, we are ready to check out different looks. Well, I think we're getting pretty close. I'm going to hit the remix button. All right, there we go. That one looks pretty good. That one looks pretty darn good. I really like how these initials look in this little slideshow you made here. All right, let's call it done. All right, cool, thank you. And in a couple short interactions, Sue and I were able to go from a rough sketch to a finished concept that was ready to share. Check out the other videos in this series by clicking on the thumbnails. Hopefully these videos will inspire you to try out, Sway, and share your own story. Thank you for watching us.